Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we will explore how to make the most of your experience on BingX while using the referral code CHUCHU. Whether you're new to trading or looking to enhance your skills, this guide will provide you with valuable insights. First, let's briefly talk about what BingX is. BingX is a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform that offers a wide range of trading options, including spot trading, futures, and copy trading. It's user-friendly and designed to cater to both beginners and experienced traders alike. Now, let's dive into how you can effectively use the BingX referral code, CHUCHU. By entering this code during your registration, you unlock exclusive benefits that can significantly enhance your trading experience. Sign-up process. When you visit the BingX website or download the mobile app, click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter your details. This is your opportunity to input the referral code, CHUCHU. Make sure to do this before completing your registration. 2. Exclusive offers. Using the referral code CHUCHU not only sets you up as a new user, but also grants you immediate access to special promotions. This could include fee discounts or bonus funds, which means more capital to trade with right from the start. 3. Learning resources. As a new user referred by CHUCHU, you might gain access to exclusive educational resources. These can be web seminars, tutorials, or guides which are tailored to help you understand the ins and outs of cryptocurrency trading. 4th, community engagement. Being part of the BingX community means that you can connect with other traders. Utilize the referral benefits to join exclusive groups or discussions. Networking with experienced traders can provide you with tips and strategies that will elevate your trading game. 5. Referral rewards. Don't forget that by sharing the referral code CHUCHU with your friends, you can also reap rewards. As your friends join and start trading with BingX, both of you can benefit from the reward system, further enhancing your trading resources. In conclusion, using the BingX referral code CHUCHU effectively can open up a world of opportunities for both new traders and seasoned pros. So, whether you're just starting or looking to refine your trading strategy, make sure to apply the referral code CHUCHU when signing up. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Horizon. We hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and insights on cryptocurrency trading. Happy trading!